Subscribers, my name is Mr. Fragrance. If you're new to the channel, welcome. If you've been here for a while, you know what it is. Another fragrance review. So today I'm going to give you a full unboxing of Prada Amber Homme. If you're new to the channel, please hit that subscribe button. Please click the notification button below so you can get notified when I release a new fragrance review, at least one each and every week. So I hope you enjoy this content that I put out. Let's get to it. Please stay tuned. Prada Amber Homme from Prada House. It's the box. Side of the box. Nice little texture, nice soft texture. Back of the box, the information. Prada. Information, ingredients, stuff like that. Other side of the box. Bottom, information. Nice texture up top, Prada. Nice texture right here for Prada. It's like by itself, a little strip. There's the inside. Here's a cool bottle. Look at that. Real clear bottle. Prada Amber Homme. Pretty cool, nice bottle, you know. So, it's a great Prada fragrance. You know, Prada doesn't do anything. That's always good with Prada. You really can't go wrong with Prada fragrance. A lot of them are fresh, you know. That's what Prada likes to do, and there's nothing wrong with that. Fresh fragrances, clean, soapy vibe. It's awesome. So I'm going to give you my initial first spray on it. Smell, see how it smells. The cap is real nice. You know, you can put it on, but it doesn't snap into place. So, you know, I wouldn't hold it by the top. It might fall off. So let's go initial spray. Very soapy vibe, you know, soapy vibe, really clean man kind of vibe. Very awesome fragrance so far. I got this fragrance about, I think last Christmas I got it. My girlfriend got it for me. Kelly, she's in one of the videos that I have. Matter of fact, she's in the Zara Wanted versus Zara Wanted EDP by night. So she checked that video. It's a very great video overall. Let's get back to this fragrance. Prada Amber Homme. Very great fragrance, very soapy vibe. You know, I haven't done that many tests with it. I don't know if it's going to last long or project very well or get compliments. I don't know. I know a lot of Prada fragrances that I've tested prior to this one. Very good compliment getters. They last pretty good on my skin. You know, everybody's skin varies differently. So, you know, when you go to the store, you should smell it on a test strip first. And then you should spray it on your hand here or here, and then walk around the mall a little bit or this fragrance store and see if it actually stays on your skin or projects. Because you don't want to get a fragrance, it smells good on here, you get home, it doesn't smell nothing like it. And then you're upset, you're pissed off, you want to go back and exchange and get something else. It's just a hassle, you know what I mean? So you should actually take your time when you look for a fragrance. You should do some research on it. Check out my channel, you know, and I do the best I can to help you out, give you suggestions what fragrance you should buy. You should go to the store yourself and test it out yourself and see if you should buy it. Don't blind buy any fragrances. You're gonna really be upset. I wouldn't blind buy a lot of fragrances for family and friends. There's maybe a few out there that you might be able to do that with, but there's not many. You know, maybe Blue Day Chanel, you could do that. Maybe Dior Sauvage, those are really clean fragrances you can do that with, but there's not a lot. And then the person may not be a loud person where they want people to give them compliments. They may just want my fragrances to smell good when they're at work, around their co-workers. They just want to be real nice, mild, and settled. They don't want them to boom right off the chest where they walk by people, oh man, you smell awesome. They don't want that. Some people just want to be really calm. And on my channel, I want to help you get a fragrance that makes you smell good, and feel confident about yourself each and every day. That's what my goal of my channel is, and to help you save money on fragrances. That's it. That's my goal. If I can do that, my life goal is complete. And I want each and every one of you guys to feel good about yourself each and every day. And I appreciate you watching my channel. It means the world to me that you watch each and every video that I post each week. Please hit the like button. And if you guys want a free little sample decan of Prada Amber Homme, please leave a comment below. Tell me why. You know, and I can do a giveaway. I can give away 3 of them, you know, in a giveaway when I do the full review on Prada Amber Homme. You know, just leave a description in the box. Do you like Prada Amber Homme. Have you tried it? Have you tried other product fragrances? Are you new to Prada? Just let me know down below. You know, you guys are awesome, each and every one of you guys that stay tuned watching my channel, and you do like the videos, so I really appreciate it a lot. It means the world to me, guys, and I hope you guys have a nice weekend. Bye.